Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Raghavin Jha. I am going to teach about value-based question. There are only two questions related with value-based in chapter 2. Their solutions are as follows. The first question is, Rohan's father had rupees 1,75,845 in his bank account. He withdrew rupees 85,975 from repairing his house. Rohan had a friend, Sunil, whose family was very much in need of money for paying the hospital bills of his sick mother. Rohan wished to help Sunil and his family. He spoke to his father, and his father gave him rupees 4,575 out of the money withdrawn to help Sunil. Sunil was happy and thanked Rohan for the help. The first question is, how much money is left in Rohan's father's bank account? In B, how much money is left for repairing the house? And in C, which value is exhibited by this act? Solution of 1A is from question, money left in Rohan's father's bank account is equal to rupees 1,75,845 minus rupees 85,975. Then we subtract these two numbers, 1,75,845 and 85,975. Their result will be 89,870. Hence, money left in Rohan's father's bank account is equal to rupees 89,870. In question B, according to question, A by Q means according to question, money left for repairing the house is equal to rupees 85,975 minus rupees 4,575. We subtract these two numbers. Here we observe the result will be equal to rupees 81,400. That means in his father's bank account left money is equal to rupees 81,400. In question C, the value exhibited by Rohan and his father has been asked. So, value exhibited by this act is kindness, helpful and social worker. Second question is, winter season is enjoyed by all. It is very important to protect ourselves with warm clothes. Schools of a particular locality decided to donate warm clothes and blankets to people of nearby area who cannot afford to buy them. There were 38 schools and each school donated rupees 25,365 for buying warm clothes and blankets, which were then distributed among people of nearby area. The question 1 is, how much money was donated by all the schools? In question B, suppose you see an old woman on the road shivering with cold, what will we do to help her? Second question, A number, total number of schools is equal to 38. Money donated by each school is equal to rupees 25,365. Hence, total money donated by all the schools is equal to rupees 25,365 into 38. We multiply these two numbers. The product will be equal to rupees 9,63,870. In question B, it has been asked that what will you do when you see an old woman shivering from cold? Then in this situation, I will give her warm clothes to save from shivering cold. Now I have completed from chapter 1 to 3, but I ask some question from chapter 2. For example, you have read the property of divide, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. On this property, I solve a question that how can we check the divide that it is right or wrong. The question 2 is divide and check your answer. The number is 4182 divided by 13. We divide 4182 by 13. Here we observe that divisor is 13, dividend is equal to 4182, quotient, Q means quotient, is equal to 321 and remainder is 9. So as property is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, here we check that is dividend becomes equal to the property of divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here RHS is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 13 into 321 plus 9 is equal to 4182. Thus our divide is right because here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I give you some questions to solve in the class. The first question is fill in the blanks. Number A, 784 plus 361 plus box is equal to 426 plus box plus 784. In question B, 4935 minus box is equal to 4935. In question C, box into 1 is equal to 846. In question D, box divided by 48 is equal to 0. In question E, 386 into 5000 is equal to box. In question F, 25 into box is equal to 25,000. In question 2, in a year, Rahul earns rupees 72,600. How much will he earn monthly? Now I give you some problem to solve at home. You will solve it and send it my WhatsApp number at night. The first question is find the sum 4,38,291 semicolon 35,605 and 3,19,278. Question number B is 95,262 semicolon 6,15,893 and 3,20,503. Question 2. Find the difference. Number A, 3,84,962 and 5,73,248. In question B, 9 lakh and 7 lakh 11,498. In question 3, find the product. In A, 4,908 by 326. In B, 11,321 by 74. The question 4 is divide and check your answer. Number A, 6,125 by 15. Number B, 2,000 by 45. The question number 2 is Ritesh is a kite maker. In one season, he sold 37,043 red kites, 42,620 blue kites and 27,986 green kites. How many kites did he sell in all? Thank you and have a nice day.